Вот пауза. Alright guys, I just want to show you how to replace Amway filter. So as you can see, it says replace cartridge and it's beeping for a while now. So first thing you do is unplug electricity and shut off the water. So which in our case is the cold water. So some of them you have to press like this one, some of them you have to turn. So make sure the water is not going. Then remove the cap. Remove this part. And then you should have a tool like this. It should come with a new filter, but you probably should have it from the original one. Green and blue. One of them is bigger, one is smaller, so green is the bigger. There's a few, the white buttons here, you press them against it and you snap it like this and you pull inside and you release both of them like that. So now we got the system right here. Then you unscrew the white part. Boom. Set it here somewhere. And then you lift it here like this. It's under pressure. And voila. Look how black it is. And this is the new one. Still in the package. So basically throw this one away. Remove the plastic. Clean this inside. And then replace it. So you can pause it for now at the bottom. So basically detach this from the black thing. Because you need the black part, the top part. So this is what I don't need anymore. Grab this. Snap it on. So first you put it together and then you turn it until it stops. Good to go. Then you put it on the bottom. There's a few. Make sure you match it to these two right here. Facing this way. Just put it down. Put this thing back. Let's see. Pause a minute. Okay, so once you got the white part back, connect the water cables here. Again, the green is bigger, so you can do one at a time. Grab the green one, press it until it snaps. Okay, yeah, so you put it inside until it stops. Now it's connected. Do the same thing to the blue one. So press with this on the white part towards yourself and then put the blue thing inside. Okay, now both of them are connected. Then you plug back the electricity. And put the water. Actually, you can just skip electricity for now. Put the water in and then let this thing run for like 5 minutes. Do not add the top part yet. Don't put this on. Get the water and turn on the water and let the water run. It's gonna be air and it's gonna be black. Let it run for 5 minutes. Nice water, huh? I don't know why it's like that, but it's gonna be black for 5 minutes. Do not add the electricity thing yet. Let it run for 5 minutes, and then I'll tell you later what to do. So once you got the 5 minutes of running water, connect this thing back on. So don't put it right away because it's gonna ruin this part, because it's gonna see it's all black or whatever. I don't know. Just don't do it because it's gonna ruin this top part.
So you have to wait 5 minutes running, then put this electronics.
Anyway, snap it back on. Turn on electricity. And it's nice and new. Voila. You can keep this thing inside for next times. It's just beeping because the cap is out. You can put this thing behind, put this thing back on, and you're good to go. Voila. And you can see the water running right here. I have other videos how to connect the whole cable thing. If you want to put it from scratch, how to connect brand new one with all the cables, check out my other videos on the channel. Let me know if you have any questions. You can stop it now.
Thank you.